everyone, welcome back to Pastel Peony channel. Today I have this puzzle with me today. I'm so excited to unbox this. So I bought small items from Longchamp, Singapore website, and now it's already delivered to my house and we're gonna do an unboxing video. First of all, before we getting into what's in this box, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like luxury items. And here it is, super cute and beautiful piece from Longchamp. This one is a small version, green collection. As you can see, it's green colors here, and then that's why it's in green collection. And I have these in pink, so I missed out the sky blue color, which is super cute blue, but that time I'm not sure whether I should get it because I also bought something like this from Europe too, but I got it in gray. And then the pink shade just comes in very recently and is still available on the website, so I decided to order it. And yes, it's so pretty. It's like a pastel kind of pink, not like a dark pink or super light pink, but I think it's a pastel kind of pink. So I think if you love those pastel kind of tone, you will love these, and also you will love the blue version as well. I also think both of the colors are all adorable, and also the yellow colors also very cute. Now let's see the inside. Not very much from the inside. They have this kind of care instruction that comes together with the bag. So it's like a care card from Longchamp, and just the empty pouch. Yeah, so it's actually a pouch with a top handle like this, but recently people like to add the strap, so it's become like a mini bag. I will add the photo as well, and I cannot find the pink strap as yet, but I saw that are those like blue strap already available. I think I saw it on Shopee, and I'm gonna insert the link in the description box below as well. But for the pink one, I cannot find it yet, but in the future if I found it, I probably buy that strap and attach to the bag, so it's gonna become like a mini pouch, mini bag, which is very cute. And next I want to compare the shade of pink with another of my Longchamp bag that I have. So the bag on the right hand side here is also in a pink shade. It's a light pink compared to this pastel pink. So this one is called, the name of this color is called Flower. So it's a nude pink, which is so pretty. I cannot find it on the website already, so it's kind of seasonal, but I'm not sure about other country. You might be able to, and also the shop you might have to check with the boutique as well, but this one is definitely a newer one. So you can see that it's more pink and more pastel than this one. It's become like a nude pink instead, so it's comparison between two colors. Now if you never own this one and then you might be curious what fit inside, I'm gonna do some what fit inside for you. So I have these items with me, although maybe not every single thing gonna be tested today, but definitely I'm gonna test the phone and a wallet, and it's quite like this is my hair clips. Yeah, I think definitely these two is gonna fit in. This is a small wallet from Chanel. Let me move this. Yeah, so it's fit in perfectly inside. And then I want to try my phone. because I'm using phone to record this video, so I cannot put the real phone inside the bag, but I have this iPhone case that I have. Yeah, this is very cute. This is in like purple colors from Apple, and let's see whether it's fit inside. It seems like there's no problem to fit the iPhone Pro Max. Yeah, mine is a 14 Pro Max, so it also can fit inside. Yeah, smaller phone will definitely easy to fit in. The bigger phone may be, you know, lesser space over here, but it still fit easily inside as well. And then let's try this. It's getting bigger. And actually I also want to try my sunglass, and I have this Celine. I don't think the case can fit in. It might take all of the space. So what about the sunglasses itself? Yeah, it's quite tight. And yes, I managed to close with a zipper, and it becomes a mini bag. If you have a strap, that's the perfect mini bag. And I think it's great. Great fit for everyday essential if you don't carry a lot of stuff, and it fits everything that you need, in my opinion. It is quite lightweight as well. Yeah, definitely recommend this if you are interested in Longchamp bag, especially in these small mini version. So that's all about a quick unboxing video today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you again in the next video. Bye.